Hello, this topic's virtual reality for the car industry and is a automotive. The virtual is a reality is a being is treated as a mean to enhance training, product design and development. Virtual showrooms and consumer research are in the automotive industries. According to a report, virtual used in the automotive industry will amount of 10 to 40 million by 2017. In addition, used virtual reality for the training will increase in the comparison to the others is a segment such as design and prototyping and research and development. This video will future interesting in discussions the benefit of using virtual reality and it is the applications in the automotive industries. Benefits of virtual reality for the automotive industries. Many automotive manufacturers have come to understand the importance of integrating virtual reality into the automotive industry, from increasing employee efficiency to creating new experience for the consumers. Safe and realized training. Four is a concept and design to product development and launch. Is automakers are turning real world sensors into virtual simulators for the training personalized. These escalators allow personnel to understand and master vehicle complex civil and practical mechanical skill as often as needed. Virtual reality provides an immersive experience that allows students to build knowledge but also practice cognitive skills such as long-term memory. Moreover, in virtual reality, you train in a safe and controlled environment, making risks low. Virtual reality is combined with artificial intelligence can help trainers records, analyze and report employee performance. For example, as trainers can observe trends in a virtual environment and record physiologic data such as visual spatial memory, heart rate and number for trials and ratio. And revolutions in computer consumer processing. Virtual reality for car can significantly improve the buyer search for a cars. Using virtual consumers can really visit showrooms, explore different cars, avoid base sales pitch, and make an informed decisions to purchase a car of their choice. Virtual using a maker's cars to consumers not only demonstrate a new way acquires customers but also lead and increase customers returns rate and promote again business. Thank you for watching.